What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Is your trunk or tailgate acting a little sluggish? Needs a little bit of help? Let's fix that. If you're still on your original shocks for your E46, it's about time to replace them. Got two fresh shocks here. You already know where I shop at, FCP Euro. Both of these were about this much. So let's take the old ones out and install the new ones. And to do that, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver or some type of prying tool. Safety first, since we're removing the shocks, be sure to stabilize your trunk and or hatch area, because if it hits you in the head, it won't kill you, but it is definitely embarrassing. Just insert your prying tool between the body of the shock and this metal spring. Try not to damage your paint. And do the same for the upper. It's a little bit easier to attack this one from the bottom. And then that's it. Hold the trunk lid if you have to. And it should just come right out. I like to add a little bit of dry lubricant to the mounting points. Take your new shock, press the bottom one in. The same for the top. One hand. And now let's see the results of our work. That's it. Mission accomplished. If y'all like that video, click the like button. If you want to see more content like this, click the subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video.